Oh, big hugs. Oh, big baby. That's my ear. That was my ear. I don't want kisses. No, I don't want kisses on the face. You can give me hugs if you want to. I don't care. You can give me hugs if you want to. Okay, I'm done. I'm done. Yes, I'm done.
He said, I don't believe it.
I'm done, Bruiser. I'm done. I'm done.
I don't think he thinks you are.
Oh. Okay, now I'm done. All done. All done. That's my thumb. That's my thumb. Okay, you're sitting down on me. Okay, now I'm done. That's my thumb. That's my thumb you're eating.
She chooses her own place to play.
I'm done. We're all done here. Hey, we're all done here, okay?
This one is for more advanced drivers.
Can I help you with something? Oh, I thought we were all done here. I thought we were all done here. You're sitting on Chloe. You're sitting on Chloe. You just sat on me. I thought we were all done here. I thought we already had love. You're still sitting on Chloe.
He said, I just love you so much.
You do know you're still sitting on Chloe. You know you've got a white powder puff under your butt.
Father's not looking, and the temptation to drive the others is irresistible.
He said my butt's making noises.
Poor Chloe. Aww.
Poor Chloe bug. Poor Chloe bug. You're gonna smush her. You're gonna smush her.
He's like, what the hell's going on there?
You're gonna smush her. Bruiser. You're gonna smush the popper.
She climbs still higher, the branches get thinner.
He don't seem to care.
No, I don't think so.
Poor Chloe. You know you're smashing the Chloe. Hey, you're smashing the Chloe. Bruiser, you're smashing the Chloe. Do you even care? Poor Chloe.
Popper, what's wrong?
Poor Chloe.
Poor Popper.